Tag, you're it.
Holy night.
Careful. Good to see you. Man, speak of people. There's that little stinky up there. I had been in Sam's. I just stepped on him. You heard that, didn't you, boy? You heard that, didn't you?
Heard what?
We went in Sam's, and if you pulled that little prank while ago, I would have stomped on you.
Well,
I know it's still available.
I mean,
You don't just do it.
Sam's not here right now.
You got it. Yeah. Well, when you grow up, let me know.
All right.
Wait. That's sick. I saw you. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
You're on
We're
YouTube?
filming right there.
Yo!